Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope you're having an amazing day so far, because me personally, it's having quite a good day. My first ever cinema camera is on its way here. Should be here within the next hour, hopefully. I sold my A7 III and I purchased the Sony FX3 as a beast of a camera, and it fits everything that I need in a camera. What came earlier today, about 20 minutes ago, is the cage. So I'm gonna quickly unbox this, have a quick look at the cage, and hopefully in the filming of this, the FX3 does come, so I can just do this all in one instead of doing it later on. So yeah, I kind of ruined the box. But I got the Tilta, I don't know if it has a name, the Tilta Cage for the FX3. It is the half cage. Didn't get every single accessory. Yeah, I thought it fits best because I can still put the top handle of the mic on, as well as having the cage and all the extra features with that. So I'm hoping, oh yeah, let's just have a look. Instructions, padding. So this is it. So first thing, I do see a side grip handle, which I'm very happy about, because when I was filming with the FX6 a couple months ago now, when we rented it out, I really liked having that side, what was it called again? Not handle. It's this thing I can't remember the name of right now. I really liked having that because I felt more secure in the camera. It wasn't just my grip strength, but it was also nicely on my hand. So if anything, I didn't even have to hold the camera, it would just stick to me because of this strap. That's it. But yeah, the cage, it's a standard cage, really has everything you need. So it has the bottom plates, I presume that is. This is the top extension part. Let's see that. We are. That, or when I'm not using the top handle, I can put that on to have the full cage there. This is just the screws to screw the cage in. But yeah, I mean, it's just a standard cage, really. The reason I did get this though, even though the whole FX3 is the cageless design, is just the ports on the FX3. From what I've seen, they aren't practical. You know, one is right above the HDMI, one is right above the handle. So if I was holding it on the side, even though it's a bigger grip than the A7 III, if I'm holding it on the side, I'm not gonna be able to get that same grip if I have something screwed on. And I like to have it on a monitor, so I'll screw on the monitor somewhere here, probably. I don't know, we'll see when the FX3 comes, we'll see, put it all together, and yeah, but that is this bit. So, doorbell. So what I've noticed on further inspection is that you can actually break this apart to make this even less of a cage. So just in here, if you can see that, hide my face, yep, these two screws there, comes with an Allen key for it, that can come apart, so this can separate, so you have even smaller of a cage, literally just this bit. So you have the bottom and the left side of the FX3, which is useful. Maybe you want to put it on a gimbal, even though I think this would still fit on a gimbal, no problem. But if you only wanted half of this half cage, you could do that. And yeah, this comes with an Allen key. That's pretty much it. The base plate, I doubt I'll use this, even though it's one of those good base plates that has two screws, which I do prefer, just so your camera's more secure on a tripod, on a gimbal, whatever it is. And this, so they have this little kind of custom plate here, Tilta, and then a little logo. This is just for screwing everything in, just for all the screws they give you. Perfectly fits it so you can tighten the cage, etc. The only thing, which I do like how Small Rig do it, they always have like a little spot for you to just put that in, because putting it in your bag is so small, so probably you can get lost, or you just won't have it on you. So it's good that they provided it, but I wish there was somewhere to kind of just slot it in, which on the cage, really I don't see anywhere unless it. Tilta know what's up. There, on the bottom, there's no slot, but it's magnetic. It's just magnetic. Clever. I would prefer a slot. I feel it's more secure, but I mean, yeah, it does pop out if you slam it. But am I going to do that to my FX3? Probably not. Yeah, that's pretty. It's about to get heavy. Yeah, that's definitely secure. Fair enough. So yeah, happy with the cage. Let's get the FX3 here. FedEx, hurry up.
24 hours later.
So yesterday was a little bit of an annoying day just because, I was waiting all day for the camera. It was meant to come at 12. 12 came and went. Said end of the day. The end of the day came and went. And then I think about 9, 10 o'clock, it then said it's been delayed. It didn't even say when it's coming. It just said shipment delayed, some sort of error. So I was like, crap, because I have a shoot tomorrow on Saturday. So I need this camera. It was meant to come yesterday. Today I was going to learn how to use it. Tomorrow I use it, but yeah, it's not here. So that was the only thing that was really stressing me out yesterday. Even though yesterday was still a good day, I had some nice vibes, had a barbecue. It was a good day. Just in the back of my mind, I was like, crap, where's my camera? Where's my camera? Where's my camera? So yeah, it should come by 12 again today, hopefully. If not, yeah, it's very unfortunate.
Many unbearable hours later.
After the most stressful time is finally here. About 24 hours late, but better late than never. Let's dive straight in. Very nice. Very, very nice. Ooh, I'm gassed. Let's see. Sony E-mount, full frame. Top handle. Okay. Alright, so it's a little different than I expected. I think if you're someone with big hands, this won't be the best for you. Like, normal size hands are fine, but I'm talking like NBA size hands. There's massive hands, then it's going to be a bit small. But yeah, this is cool. Leave that there for now. Don't care about any of that, don't care about any of this. Oh, that's heavy. Wow, right, get out of my sight. Wow. Yeah. This is dope. This is a proper grip. Wow, there's such a difference between this and the A7 III. Such difference in that grip. I think with the cage it can be even better. But I mean, I've seen this camera a million times on every video on the internet already, but still this is nice. This is very, very nice. Yeah, it's definitely beefier than I thought. Like, this is a good, nice, chunky grip. And I think with the side grip of the cage, actually, let me put the cage on now. And then it lines up with the screws here, but I did forget that upstairs. Oh yeah. That's perfect, like that. Just having this is really nice, just being able to grip it there. Now I'm gonna build it out, just to I do have a theory. How's this going? I do have a theory how I do want to rig this camera out. Bro, how's this going? Am I doing something wrong here? Yes, I was. Yeah, I do have a theory how I'm gonna rig this camera out, but looking at it now, I don't know if that will be possible. Because I've seen some where they put the monitor on top, and the Sony one had the monitor on top here. Other people have the monitor on top, like literally right on this bit, but I find the camera then is too tall, there's too much going on. I prefer the monitor a little bit lower. So I want to try and see if I can get the monitor here, and if that makes sense with the balancing and holding it and everything. So where is my clamp? So after quite a bit of trial and error, I think this is what I'm going to stick with. So it's looking at it like from a top-down view. Mic is, so I can still put my mic in, have the monitor here, and if it's upright, I can twist the monitor up. But yeah, I think that's what I'm going to stick with. I'll probably progress it the more I use the camera, but yeah, I think this will be best for me now anyway. because I know there will be times I want to use the top handle. If I'm not using the top handle, that's fine. I'll probably just use another one of these small rig things where you can like flip put it in the hop shoe and flip the monitor up and down. But when I do need the XLR inputs, this will work just fine. I think this is the easiest setup. You don't have to buy too much. Like, all I've got is the Tilta Cage on it. Monitor already had this little small rig double ball mount. This is the smaller one because the bigger one is too big and it does block the HDMI port. But this here, with this ball, I can still open HDMI port all the way, so that does work there. But yeah, I'm excited to use this camera. This will be my daily driver. I'll be filming everything on it. But yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have got a lesson, laugh, or a light bulb moment from this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could drop a like down below. And if you're feeling extra nice, hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, I'll catch you in the next one.